Civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for the state of Georgia until further notice. Over the past several hours, planes have intermittently been losing contact with ATC and losing control. This has caused at least one confirmed aerial accident. Stay tuned for more info. Civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for the state of Georgia until further notice. Civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for the state of Georgia until further notice. Unknown sources have caused numerous airplane crashes and loss of contact with ATC. Going outside is considered dangerous due to numerous reports of total loss of control from aircraft. For your protection, move into an interior part of a building and protect your body's critical areas. Tune into local media for updated information. Do not call 911 unless it is a true life and death emergency. This message will repeat hourly until the emergency is resolved. Civil authorities have issued a shelter-in-place warning for the state of Georgia until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Due to the major problems in the air right now, a shelter-in-place warning has been issued. For your safety, stay inside. Report plane crashes on social media or using the non-emergency police number as 911 must be kept open for other emergencies. Please continue to report building fires through 911. Civil authorities have issued a nuclear power plant warning for the state of Georgia until 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is not a drill. Take shelter or evacuate immediately. At 11:45, a plane crashed into Reactor 1 in the Georgia Atlanta Power Station. This has caused a possible meltdown of reactors 1 and 2. While reactors 3 and 4 are shut down, crews are battling to cool 1 and 2. Nowhere to go if there is a full reactor meltdown. Remember, there are 3 types of radiation. Civil authorities have issued a shelter-in-place warning for the state of Georgia until further notice. At 11:58, there was a total loss of contact with emergency crews at the Georgia Power Station. At the same time, an incredibly large power spike was detected at the station. At this time, a full meltdown of all active reactors is assumed. For your safety, find a safe place at the location you are at. Do not stay in a vehicle or mobile home. If you are exposed to radiation, strip your clothes and clean yourself off. Take at least 2 weeks' worth of food and water, any essential medications, and a radio or a way to get news. Go to local news sources for more information. Repeating, a shelter-in-place warning has been issued by civil authorities.